Good afternoon, class 10. I want to discuss with you the reductions that has been made in the 2021 for this year's exam. Okay. So let's start one by one with all the topics. From the first part, force, work, power, energy, from A you have 3 chapters. First chapter, force. Second chapter, work, power and energy. No changes have been made. No reductions from these two. Part 3, chapter 3, machines. See, levers, everything has been omitted from levers, including principal, first, second, third class of levers, examples of levers, the different classes of levers, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio in each case, calculation. Then examples of each of these classes of lever in human body have been omitted. So just remember, keep in mind that what a lever is. Okay, it's just that you need to have a basic concept about lever. So just go through that portion, that what a lever is basically. So see, they have omitted principle of a lever, then they have omitted the different classification of levers, examples from each classification, mechanical advantage and velocity ratio calculation in each part, and also this one. Okay, so rest from machines, everything is there. Everything other than this is there. Pulleys, then other parts, that is a basic introduction to machines, then whatever we have done in machines, everything is there. Only this part has been omitted. Okay. Next, see part B, light. We have again 3 chapters. Refraction of light at plane surfaces. From here you will find that multiple images in thick glass plate or thick mirror has been omitted. A very small topic has been omitted. Very small topic. Multiple images in thick glass plate or thick mirror, a very small portion. From chapter 5, refraction through lens, you will find magnifying glass or simple microscope, that has been omitted. Also, numerical problems related to power of lens has been omitted. That means you have to know the basic meaning of power of lens and all these things. That is how the power of lens depends on the radius of curvature or the thickness of the lens. The basic understanding of power of lens and the thickness of lens. You won't have this. Magnifying glass or simple microscope, then the ray diagrams which we used to do earlier, then power calculation, everything you won't have. Application of lens you have from this chapter. You have application of lens. Okay, so these are the 2 things that have been omitted. Okay. Then see chapter 6, spectrum. Scattering and its applications omitted. That means it comes under, see, this has been omitted. From sound, 7A, 7B we will study like we used to do. But from 7C, we will study only the meaning of the terms of loudness, pitch, quality and the factors affecting them. So this is a modified form of the syllabus from 7C. Meaning of the terms and factors affecting them, no examples. Then see electricity and magnetism, D, we have 3 chapters again. Chapter 8, current, electricity. Derivations of equivalent resistance will not be there, but of course you will have to learn the formulas. That means say series resistance, parallel resistance, what is the form for equivalent resistance you will have to learn, but how they are being derived you won't have to learn the derivations. But using the equations is there, because we will get numericals also. Again, numericals involving more than 4 resistors is not there. That means we'll limit our numerical problems up to 4 resistors only. We haven't done this chapter, so don't worry. When we'll do, you will automatically find it out. Household circuits, we haven't done all this. House wiring, ring system is not there. Two-way switch, staircase wiring is not there. Chapter 10, electromagnetism. First of all, the simple sketch of AC generator and DC motor will not be there. So previously used to have this, that simple sketch of AC generator, DC motor. This time you won't have this. So what we will have, when we will study this chapter, you will gradually come to know. But this thing is omitted. And also transformer won't be there. Heat, unfortunately no change, no reduction. Calorimetry, no reduction. Modern physics, you have radioactivity chapter, you will find 12B has been omitted. Nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. So these are the changes that have been made. Okay.